Okay guys, welcome to Mighty Mike Mania. These are the two fastest truck Jeep mics that I have. These you just love to have a little drag race in slow motion. But I'm running these two. The one on the left is a very clean, good running Jeep. The one on the right is that one I put the brass gears in. Got a friend of mine actually custom made it. It's a midget. So they equal both four-wheelers, four-wheel drives, and just keep an eye on them. Let's see who's going to be the fastest mic to run the Treacherous Skyway bridge back and forth. They're pretty neck and neck until you get to the top of the turn. The Jeep is normally a little faster on the downhill. But here you see how they're really even. Very, very close race between these two. And to make it fair, when we get to the end, I spin them and send them back. So whoever's in front gets turned first. And we'll see who ultimately wins the day. Here we go, guys. For you Mighty Mikers, I know you've all wanted to have a drag race. I know it's a really slow drag race, but what the heck, it's fun to watch. So now I'll just sit back and let you enjoy the gears. It looks like midget truck is actually smoking the Jeep. I've run a couple of races today. It's just neck and neck most of the time, so maybe the batteries are getting low. Fun nonetheless. Another day at Mighty Mike Mania. What better way to pass the day? That does jump off the track every once in a while. I think it's pretty clear. Midget truck takes the day. Now, none of them stand a chance against the Astro train, so I don't even do that. Enjoy the day, guys.